In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a highlighted text effect in CapCut. So first, just make sure you have your text imported into the video like this. Then click on text in the top navigation and drag the default text over to your timeline. Click on text in the top right hand side, scroll down to the color and go and select the highlighted color for your text. Now change the default text to a few minus signs like this. And then we're going to scroll down to the character and change this to -2 or -3. Now go and place the highlighted line to where you want this highlighting to begin. You can then scroll all the way down to background and make sure this is turned on and enabled. Then scroll down again and change the opacity so we can see the text. Now scroll back up to where we selected the highlight color. Click on the drop down arrow and go and copy this hex color. Now scroll back down to background, click on the color palette and go and paste in the hex code. Now adjust the height so it fits the full width of your text. If the rectangle is too big, we can always try reducing the font size. So I'm going to reduce my font size to about 7 points. You may also need to scroll down to the background and increase the width to where we want this highlighted effect to end. If you need to make the width longer, then you can always add more minus signs in the text box. Now, once you have your rectangle that covers all of the text that you need highlighting, we're then going to increase the opacity back up to 100%. Now select animation and click on this one here where it says show to the right. Now right click on your text layer and select create compound clip. Click on video in the top navigation, scroll down to blend and change the mode to multiply. And now if we go and play this video back, you can see we've created this highlighter effect. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.